Let's also get in then Sumit Bagaria. He's head commodities and currency research, Testimony Commodities. Also, what's your sense coming in for silver? Is it following gold on the higher side, or do you think the base metals pressure would be seen here?
See, Manisha, overall silver is bullish, but for very short term, for next 1 week to 10 days time horizon, I feel silver should give some correction and it should follow base metals. So for very short term, silver is good to sell at around present levels or at around 62,000 levels in MCX. For that, one should maintain a stop loss of around 62,500 rupees on higher side, and on downside one can expect targets of around 60,800 rupees and below that 60,300 rupees. This is a very short term target for next 1 week time horizon. Overall for the time horizon of one month or 2 months, I am bullish on silver. So anytime prices near 60,000 would be a very good buy opportunity for the targets of 65,000 on higher side. But for very short term, I would be seller at present levels.
All right. Sumit, what's your sense coming in for the energy space? I mean, are you long crude as well? Do you think it can hold on from here?
See, Manisha, crude has given a very good upside move because of fundamentalism like problems going on in Syria. But overall, I feel that in the present expiry, as far as October expiry is concerned, I don't think so that crude is very bullish. In fact, after a sharp rise which we saw yesterday, now it's time where prices need to consolidate or give some correction from present levels. Overall, I think Euro USD is weak against dollar and base metals are weak. So because of this, crude should also give some correction from present levels. And on technical charts, I feel that 93.30 is a major resistance in NYMEX. So till the time prices doesn't give breakout below those levels, I feel crude can again come down to $90 or $89 in NYMEX. As far as MCX levels are concerned, I would prefer selling at present levels with a small stop loss of around 4930 on higher side for the downside target of 4830 and below that 4790 rupees in next 1 or 2 days. So I would prefer selling in crude at present levels.
Sumit, how would you want to trade with the base metal space? Because there's a stimulus that the markets are expecting or awaiting from China, and there also is a statement out of Rio Tinto which has downgraded consumption in China going forward. How much of an impact of that do you see on prices?
See, Manisha, as far as crude, as far as base metal view is concerned, I am bearish on all the base metals, especially if you talk of copper, lead, zinc, aluminum. I feel that still there is more room left for prices to move down. As far as copper is concerned, we are expecting copper prices to move down and touch levels of around 425 rupees in next 1 week to 10 days time horizon. So I would be a seller in copper at around 436, 437 rupees, which is the current market price. For that, one should maintain a stop loss of around 442 rupees on higher side, and on downside one can expect targets of around 431, and if prices are able to break and give close below 431, then further sell-off can be seen till 425 rupees. The other commodity where we see good sell-off is lead. Lead has given a breakout. I think lead should give a correction till 112 rupees in MCX. So present levels or on rise in prices till 118 in MCX should be used as selling opportunity. For that, one should maintain a stop loss of around 121.50 on higher side for the downside target of 112 rupees in next 4 to 5 days.
Vijay,